This is the heat exchanger of the furnace. This is the heart of the furnace. This being the front of the furnace where the gas burns in, we're running the gas through the heat exchanger and then exhausting it up to the chimney. Several different styles of heat exchangers are available. With this particular heat exchanger, as it expands and contracts, it's held together by little press plates. It expanding and contracting will actually cause these to separate and then fatigue the heat exchanger. Instead of the gas lifting and coming out of the furnace, it'll actually slip right through the middle and come out around these openings. And that could potentially cause those gases to go up inside your home.